Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Saturday. It's a rainy, gloomy day today, so no better time to come in here and do a painting. Today I'm going to be trying something I haven't done before. I've seen videos of this being done, but I haven't tried it, and it is a patchwork swipe. So basically it's a swipe, but at the end of it all, the painting is supposed to look sort of like a patchwork blanket. Okay, that is what it's supposed to do. So come along and let's see if we can create this painting and get it to turn out how I'm picturing it in my mind. I don't know. But come along and let's see, and let's have fun while we do it. Come. Before we get started, I just want to show you the two dried results. There's this one, which was simplifying the ring pour. It turned out so nice. It's really pretty. And it's got the gold coming through. I do think I want to do a gloss varnish over this one. I think it'll just make it pop more. But anyway, there's that one, and then there's this one, which was the Galaxy pour, and it also turned out really pretty. Some nice clouding, some metallics. Yeah, it turned out really very nice. They are both dry. This one I think could do another day or two before I actually start handling it too much. So I'm just going to put it there, and I'll just put them both out the way actually. So I've got my canvas here, just checking if it's level. It's sort of level. I've taped up the back, put my push pins in, and right, let me get the paints and stuff ready. Okay, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do the swipe colors. I'm going to have two swipe colors. I'm going to have black and white. I've layered my colors into a cup over there. So I've put black and white in here, and I'm literally just going to add a couple drops of water to each, just like that, just like that, just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add my silicone oil. As you know, it's the, I don't know, where are you, the treadmill belt oil. I'm going to put one, oh, I don't know, it's just pouring out, but anyway, a little bit of silicone in each, just like that. That'll do. And then we just mix this all up, give it a good mix. Okay, so we are ready now. We've got the canvas done, we've got the paints done. So we are just going to cover the canvas with paint. Okay, and we're going to tilt it to cover the canvas. There's quite a bit of paint on here still, so I'm just going to tilt some of that off. Okay. Right, that'll do. Now, I'll take my gloves off because we don't really need them for this part. Okay, right. So I've got two swipe colors, as I said. So, I don't know. Let's just get started. So, what I've done is I've cut my kitchen roll a little bit narrower than my other swipes. My other swipes, I cut them about that wide, but these I made them narrower to get more swipes in. So, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to, I don't know, we're just going to do it. We're just going to swipe. Like that. Right. And then, I think we'll do, from here, we'll do it in white. Just like that. And swipe across and drop it over. Okay, I don't know. And now maybe we'll do it in white. But maybe from there. Right, and then black from here. Right. Okay, and then black from there. And then some white. Okay, it is different. Let's go, I don't know. Like that. Like that. It is different, I must say, definitely different. That. Oops, no. Okay. Nearly there. Okay. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Let's see. It seems fine. We of course don't want too much paint on the canvas, but it seems okay, not too bad. Okay, right, I'm gonna wipe my hands. I'm gonna hit this with a heat gun. Let me get the heat gun out. Okay, the heat gun has brought out a lot of lacing and cells. So I'm just going to see if I can stretch it a little bit. Okay. You see, there is some movement. There is some movement still. Okay. Bring it back to the middle. Okay. Well, that is very, very interesting. Very interesting indeed. I am going to just bring you down quick. Okay, so that is what we have now. It's very pretty, isn't it? Look at the lacing next to cells. Look at that. Lacing next to cells. Yeah. I think it's very different, isn't it? It's very unique, very different. The colors popping through, some neons popping through. Some beautiful purples, turquoise, greens. Oh, it's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely. I don't want to tilt it sideways because then it's going to, you know, make it wobbly. There we go. Oh, I'm happy. Happy it worked. I didn't know how to do it. Like I said, I've never done one before. But I think it came out really pretty. I don't think the cells or anything are going to grow much more than this, so I'm going to bring you down and give you a quick close-up. Hold on. And here it is. Very different, isn't it? Very pretty lacing, very pretty cells. I mean, I'm happy with all of that. Very, very, very cool. Lovely colors there. Lovely colors in those cells down there. Beautiful lacing. There's also over there and over there, there's like ghosting lacing going on. That's actually very cool. And some neons, and look at this. I mean, it's lovely. I love it. Absolutely happy with that. Very different. I mean, yeah, you're not going to see another painting like this anywhere, are you? I love it. So there we go, everyone. There we go. Patchwork swipe. Oh, it's not bad for my first attempt anyway. Yeah, okay, so done. please, everybody, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And also please remember that all paintings created in my channel, once they are dried and I'm happy with them, that they've dried nicely and everything's cool with the paintings, I photograph them and I put them into my Etsy shop. My Etsy shop is Shana Art, and I will put details to my Etsy shop down below in the comments. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Tomorrow we will be back for another cool painting. I don't know what yet. I will think about it. But yeah, join me tomorrow and we'll create another beautiful painting.